Here we are, over by Hutchinson Island. Seems like there was some problem over here. So they're doing the repairs over here in Fort Pierce, Hutchinson Island. Fishing still going on, over here. Big crane over there. That's not a crane. It's the damaged pier. Wow. There's a lot of problems. That's why we don't have the boat out there. Let's see. Jetty park. Wow. Fisherman coming in. Wow.
What is the tube doing again?
Look at this. Beach closed. Temporary closure at the beach here. There's a massive repair going on over here at Fort Pierce, Hutchinson Island. Wow. Madison. America have all type of equipment. Yeah. There's no beach over here at Hutchinson Island. See, the weather destroyed. Nobody on the beach. No one on the beach today. Only surfers here. That's it. See that the reef damage. Trying to effect repairs.